This video is going to be all about how we work with presets in Lightroom. Presets are either edits that you've copied yourself that you want to save and reuse over and over again, or there's a lot of presets built in to Lightroom that have been created by the program creators to change how a photo looks. So first you want to select a photo that you want to work with. I'm going to work with this image right here. Then on the side of the screen, we're going to go down to where we see the presets symbol. That's right here. So right now I've got the down arrow open for color, but you can see there's a lot of different presets that are already preloaded into the program. So depending on what you want to do with the image, you can change how the general look of the image is and have it change a lot of the settings within Lightroom, all with just a single click on the program. So let's say that we want to try one of the settings within the creative category. For example, maybe you want to try the vintage instant preset. If I click the check mark on here, that's going to make a lot of changes within all the other settings within Lightroom. So for example, it changed within the exposure category to change the whites to be -30. Within the color settings, it doesn't look like it changed anything. It changed a little bit within here. I think within some of the vignetting, perhaps. But this is going to be, a way just to automatically change your photo to look a certain way. Now, maybe you want to do an edit and you want to save it as a preset. Well, you can do that within Lightroom as well. So let's just pick a different picture here. Here's an image from Fairy Falls over in Stillwater. If you ever have a chance to go there, it's a great hike. This was during the winter, so it was frozen. But let's say that I want to adjust this picture to make it look exactly how I want. Make it a little bit brighter. Maybe I do want to maybe even just work with curves just a little bit here. So I go down in that area, up in that area. So I'll click done on that. So let's say that I really like how this looks. Well, I can save this as a preset by clicking that little 3-dot symbol and then create the preset that way. So maybe I label this curves and contrast, because those are the two things that I did within the preset. So now, if I ever want to use this preset again on a different picture, I can go down to my presets and go down to user presets, and there it is. So I can click on it right there and it will apply the same exact edits that I had used in my original edit on the other picture. Okay, so one thing that you'll notice, it didn't actually apply the edit. I need to click it and then do the check mark. That applies the edit to the photo. So when I go back in this mode, there it is. Remember, after you're done editing a picture and you want to save it down to be able to use it, we need to export it to camera roll.